Welcome! In today's video, we'll dive into a crucial aspect of your Telegram experience, controlling who can add you to group chats. Let's face it, there's nothing more annoying than being bombarded with notifications from unwanted group chats. Luckily, Telegram gives you the power to put an end to this hassle. So, let's get started and secure your chat privacy with a few simple steps. First, take your Android device and locate the Telegram app. Once you've got it open, look for the 3 horizontal lines icon on the top left corner of your screen. This is your gateway to the menu options. Next, tap on that icon, and you'll see a list of options appear. Scroll down until you find Privacy and Security, and go ahead and tap on it. Here's where the magic happens. As you navigate through the privacy settings, look for Profile Photos. This option will allow you to customize who can view your profile image. But we are after the group chat settings today, so keep moving. Now, under the Profile Photos menu, you'll find the section labeled Invites. Tap on that, and this is where you get to decide how you want to manage your group chat invitations. You'll notice an option that says, Who can add me to group chats? This is what we've been looking for. Simply select Nobody. By doing this, you ensure that you won't be added to any unwanted group chats without your consent. And there you have it. You've successfully taken control of who can add you to group chats on Telegram. Enjoy your newfound peace of mind and happy chatting.